Imagine the thrill of driving on the Autobahn, Germany's famed highway system where in some stretches there are no speed limits. This iconic roadway, birthed in the 30s, was designed with speed and efficiency in mind. Its wide lanes, smooth surfaces, and gentle curves have been the inspiration for countless songs, movies, and tales of high-speed adventure. The Autobahn is not just a highway, it's a symbol of German precision and engineering prowess. It's a testament to the nation's love for automobiles and the open road. And while it's true that certain sections have no speed limit, it's not a lawless free-for-all. Rules and regulations are strictly enforced, ensuring safety remains a top priority. For car enthusiasts, the Autobahn is more than just a road trip, it's a pilgrimage. It's the chance to push your vehicle to its limits, to truly experience the joy of driving. No matter what car you drive, the Autobahn offers an unparalleled driving experience. So, what's the best car to take on this high-speed adventure, you ask? Well, let's dive into it. If you're a speed junkie, nothing beats the thrill of a Porsche 911 Turbo. With its top speed of over 200 miles per hour, it's a beast made for the Autobahn. Now, for those who like a blend of power and elegance, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class is a perfect choice. It's not just a car, it's a statement, one that says, I appreciate the finer things in life, but hey, not everyone's looking for raw power or luxury. Some of us want a car that's fun, practical, and Autobahn ready. And that's where the Volkswagen Golf GTI comes in. It's compact, it's sporty, and it's German engineered for those high-speed Autobahn runs. So there you have it. Whether you prefer a sleek sports car or a comfortable luxury sedan, there's a perfect Autobahn-ready vehicle waiting for you. An Autobahn vacation wouldn't be complete without a stop in Munich, home to the iconic BMW Museum. This city, known for its beer gardens and Oktoberfest, is also where the heart of German engineering beats. The BMW Museum, a marvel of modern architecture, stands as a testament to Munich's rich automobile history. Now let's talk about what's inside. The museum showcases over 100 years of BMW's automotive and technological evolution. It's like stepping into a time machine where you can witness the transformation from the first BMW aircraft engine to the futuristic concept cars of today. The museum also hosts rotating exhibits, offering unique insights into the design and engineering process that goes behind these masterpieces. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just a curious traveler, you'll be enthralled by the blend of history, innovation, and artistry that the BMW Museum offers. From history to cutting-edge technology, the BMW Museum in Munich offers something for every car lover. From Munich, it's a scenic drive to Bavaria, where the fairy-tale Neuschwanstein Castle awaits. Nestled in the heart of the Bavarian Alps, this 19th-century Romanesque revival palace is a testament to the grandeur of the past. Commissioned by Ludwig II of Bavaria, this castle was the king's retreat and an homage to Richard Wagner, his favorite composer. The castle's architectural brilliance is a feast for the eyes, with its towering turrets and elaborate interiors. It's like stepping into a fairy tale, with every stone whispering tales of royal whims and dreams. But it's not just the castle that makes Bavaria special. The region is a driver's paradise, with winding roads that curve through lush forests, pristine lakes, and charming villages. Driving in Bavaria is like being part of an intricate dance between nature and machine, where the thrill of the drive is amplified by the sheer beauty of the surroundings. With its stunning landscapes and the enchanting Neuschwanstein Castle, Bavaria is a dream come true. Next, journey through the mystical Black Forest to the spa town of Baden-Baden. Imagine the thrill of maneuvering your car through winding roads, with the majesty of the Black Forest rising around you. Every twist and turn reveals a new view of this natural wonder, a place where ancient trees reach for the skies and the air is filled with the scent of pine and earth. As you emerge from the forest, the charming town of Baden-Baden welcomes you. Renowned for its thermal baths, it's a haven of relaxation and tranquility. But it's not just about rest and rejuvenation. Baden-Baden is also a feast for the senses with its elegant Belle Epoque architecture, a testament to its past as a retreat for European nobility. The pleasure of driving through the Black Forest, coupled with the allure of Baden-Baden, makes this an enchanting part of your Autobahn journey. The blend of natural beauty, charming townscapes, and the thrill of the drive is a heady mix that's hard to resist. A drive through the Black Forest to Baden-Baden is an unforgettable part of any Autobahn vacation. Finally, take the Autobahn to the picturesque Rhine Valley and the bustling metropolis of Frankfurt. The Rhine Valley, a landscape dotted with vineyards and castles, presents a lovely panorama that feels plucked straight from a fairy tale. As you cruise along the Autobahn, the Rhine River becomes your constant companion, its sparkling waters reflecting the rich history of this region. Over the centuries, countless vineyards have sprung up along the valley, each offering a unique blend of German wine. One can't help but feel a sense of tranquility here, the air filled with the subtle scent of grapes, ripening under the gentle European sun. And then there are the castles. Oh, the castles. These ancient fortresses, nestled amidst the vineyards, stand as timeless testaments to the region's rich history. Every turret and tower, every stone and spire tells a story of kings and queens, of battles won and lost. But enough of the past. It's time to rev up your engines and head toward the future, towards the dazzling skyline of Frankfurt. Frankfurt, the city of contrasts, where soaring skyscrapers rub shoulders with quaint, half-timbered houses. Here, the old meets the new in a harmonious blend that is quintessentially German. As you drive into the city, the skyline looms ahead, a modern marvel of glass and steel. The city's skyscrapers, home to global banks and corporations, gleam under the sun, their reflections twinkling in the main river. But it's not all business here. Frankfurt is also a city of culture, of art and music, of festivals and food. It's a city that loves to celebrate, a city that knows how to live. And the best part? The joy of driving through this dynamic cityscape, of being part of its ebb and flow. From the tranquil Rhine Valley to Frankfurt's dynamic skyline, this Autobahn journey offers the best of Germany. And trust me, there's no better way to experience it than from behind the wheel of a car, with the open road stretching ahead, inviting you to discover the wonders of this land. And so our Autobahn vacation comes to a close. We've roared down Germany's iconic highway, embraced the thrill of speed in some of the world's finest cars, and immersed ourselves in the rich culture and breathtaking landscapes this beautiful country has to offer. We kicked off our journey with the adrenaline rush of the Autobahn, where the limits are pushed and the spirit of freedom is felt. From there we ventured to Munich, where we explored the BMW Museum, a testament to German engineering prowess. Our adventure then took us to the fairy tale-like Neuschwanstein Castle in Bavaria, followed by a serene retreat into the Black Forest and the spa town of Baden-Baden. We topped it off by soaking in the stunning views of the Rhine Valley and Frankfurt's impressive skyline. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a traveler with a love for the open road, an Autobahn vacation promises a unique and unforgettable adventure.